Welcome back. We are covering tip number 14 of 25 tips to become a better driver. Maybe you don't need this, but I know you know somebody who does. And if you are the one who needs this, hang in there with Uncle Paul. I'm just trying to help you. Maybe you don't know some of these things that you're doing, or maybe you do them and don't know that it's not the right thing to do. And you do want to become a better driver. Maybe your insurance rates are going up. If you're the type of person that gets into multiple accidents, you definitely need to be listening to this. If your insurance is through the roof because you get into multiple accidents, it's on you. You have to get better. So this is a great way for you to start. Maybe think about even retaking driver's training, right? But at least start here with these 25 tips from Uncle Paul to help you become a better driver. Before we get going, though, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Lets YouTube know that you appreciate the content that's being produced. Also click the thumbs up, which is the like button. That also lets YouTube know that you appreciate it. If you're back multiple times, it's time to commit. Hit that subscribe button. And then also click the alert button to be notified of future content that comes out. That's also helpful as well. So again, tip number 14 is, we're right now, the last video of this video and the next one is basically we're covering how to drive the roundabouts, right? Again, I know that's tough for some people, but I want to encourage you. You can do it, and these tips I think will help you. The prior one was be aggressive, right? So go back and listen to that one. The playlist link is in the description below of this video, so you can get to it pretty easily. But again, this one is never stop in the center of the circle. Never stop in the center of the circle. So here's what I want to encourage you to do. If you are in the center of the circle, you have the right of way. You need to keep going, right? And obviously you have to, if somebody pulls out in front of you, you can't run into them. But again, you have the right of way. You should have the right of way. Do the speed limit, the posted speed limits that's there. But again, never stop, because that just messes up the flow of traffic, the people behind you. You are going to be a clog in this free fluid, system they have set up. Roundabouts can be wonderful if you know how to drive them, right? And that's what I'm trying to help you improve on. But you should never, ever stop in the center of that circle and wave somebody through. That's not your job if you're in the center of the circle, right? Your job is to get where you need to go. And here's another thing. Even if you miss your intended off-ramping of the roundabout, you need to just drive around that circle again. Okay, a lot of people freak out, like, how am I going to get back over? Relax, keep driving, go back around. If you have to go around 2 times, do the speed limit, do that until you get your bearings on where you need to actually go, but never, ever stop in the center of the roundabout, right? Again, this is just something that you just can't do. And again, you're going to cause accidents if you do that. I understand being a courteous driver and appreciate you doing that, but do not stop in the center of the circle. So in the center of the roundabout. So anyway, it's that straightforward, and then the next tip will kind of round this one out, and no pun intended. That's horrible. But anyway, do me a favor before we go. Again, hit the thumbs up, which lets YouTube know that you appreciate the content that's being produced here. Click the subscribe button if you're back multiple times. We're at 40 subscribers, and I appreciate you all. Let's see if we can't get to 50. And then also click the alert button to be notified of future content that comes out. And that's going to do it. And we'll see you at the next video.